तो गाइस आज हम करने वाले हैं CMF फोन 2 प्रो का गेमिंग टेस्ट, फ्री फायर टेस्ट। तो गाइस हम लोग वीडियो शुरू से लास्ट तक देखना, तभी आप लोगों को समझ में आएगा। अगर आप लोग गाइस गेमिंग पर्पस में ये फोन खरीदना चाहते हो तो गाइस वीडियो शुरू से लास्ट तक देखना, तभी आप लोगों को अच्छे तरीके से समझ में आएगा कि ये फोन खरीदना चाहिए या नहीं। तो गाइस इधर जो भी सेटिंग है मैंने मैक्स कर दिया, सब कुछ ऑन कर रहा हूँ। जितना भी गाइस हाई क्वालिटी है सब कुछ ऑन कर देंगे। अभी हाई FPS भी ऑन कर दिया, सब कुछ हाई में खेलेंगे, तभी तो रियल टेस्ट पता चलेगा ना कि ये फोन कैसे परफॉर्मेंस देता है। नॉर्मल मोड में तो गाइस हर एक फोन अच्छा खासा परफॉर्मेंस दे देता है, इसलिए मैंने इसको सब हाई कर दिया और मैक्स में कर दिया। तो अभी आप लोग देखते रहो बस।
Free Fire. First two. I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. First two. Girls with their nails done.
That I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel alone. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I'll never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. I'm alone.
First two.
It's so cold outside. I'm alone. I'm alright. It's so cold always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and die. Will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm
First Doom. First Doom.
I've been drowning, I've been floating away. Every other dollar that I got is made up, probably went and pissed it away. I ain't fucking okay, I ain't liking it, babe. I don't even wanna talk, smoke in my haze. I've been stuck in my ways, I've been stuck in for days. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I've been slaved. Yeah, rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat for the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole damn week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I can't eat. Got a whole motherfuckers that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family, from a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down to make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Whole life never when I do nothing to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. I'm full of stage, trying to find my pain. Bosses, I'm coming out of that rain. I'm
takedown.
It's a supply pool.
Yeah, I'm a slave for you.
Double takedown.
Ripping harder, more less. Never stop, no rest. Till the stress is breath in my chest. Till it's diamonds wrapped in my neck. Progress to a god from a goddamn mess. Hopeless, more tests. More flesh. Dug deep down, trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest. I'm next. I'm blue water, come down, make new thoughts. Like jumping off of that rooftop. Hope like everyone make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. I'm full of stage, trying to run my pain. I see something coming out of that rain. My state really my team. I'm gonna slow down, I'm gonna never behave. So inside this prison, inside this chain.
Double takedown.
Yeah, I'm a slave for you.
First doom.
और जैसे कि आप लोग स्टार्टिंग में देखा था कि मैंने हर एक सेटिंग को हाई कर दिया, हाई एफपीएस कर दिया, सब कुछ मैक्स में कर दिया, फिर भी गाइस देखो आप लोग मैं कस्टम फुल मैच खेला 1% भी मुझे हैंग या लेग का प्रॉब्लम देखने को नहीं मिला। ये मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। कभी कभी न्यू फोन होता है गाइस, सब कुछ मैक्स हाई एफपीएस करने के बाद, सब कुछ हाई करने के बाद थोड़ा थोड़ा लेग करता है, हैंग करता है, तो ये ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा था। ये मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा।